3 cycles. Okay, every cycle it will be around 10 to 15 seconds. Okay,
ओके।
only 10 energy.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, क्या हाल चाल है? अभी देखिए ये कैसे रिमूव करना है।
Bismillah. This is first cycle. Okay.
Now I know, now so I didn't react.
Okay.
On that time I shouted, I said, what's happening now? It will freeze or what, doctor?
It will swell, and then after this we will inject this one.
Okay. I was thinking maybe it works like anesthesia.
Anesthesia? No, it will be painful now. It will make some pain.
No, so this is not anesthesia, right?
No, no.
Oh, I was earlier I was thinking about.
No, it's not anesthesia.
Okay.
Second, we'll start in 4, 3, 2, 1. Not 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
No, it. Oh my God.
Bismillah. Very hard and resistant to inject. But we finished. Painful?
See?
Is it painful?
No, the feelings are more.
Yeah. Next time we will inject more and from the stronger one. If you manage to bring, let me know. If not, send me a WhatsApp to bring with me next time. I will come on 27th to send for me 22nd or 23rd. A reminder on the WhatsApp. You have my number? You have the WhatsApp number?
The old number I have.
The WhatsApp
We'll
number.
check now. Yeah.
Yeah.